Hello. Today we will be presenting our IMDb box office analysis. We will take you through the acquiring of the data and then the cleaning and analysis, as well as some visualizations towards the end. We decided to go with three main questions, mostly going off of the highest grossing films over the past 10 years related to the US box office. So myself, Nick, I did the wrangling, the data collection part of this project. Nan will take you through the data analysis portion, and Matt will take you through the visualization moving forward. So to start off, we went to an IMDb's sorted list of the top 100 films of between 2008 and 2018 by U.S. box office. And acquired the data, processed the data, and ended up with a clean data set that included all of the predictor factors that we intended to use for this analysis. Now Nan will take you through how we actually did that analysis.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. So with this very clean and neat data frame, so what we want to do, we want to predict the gross earning of it with the variables we have. And the methods we're going to use, we will start with a global F-test, which will tell us which factors plays a more significant role in the model. And we're also going to do the individual coefficient test, and we're going to select our models, all the variables in the models with a stepwise regression. And with the help of R, we are going to calculate different parameters to evaluate our data set, to evaluate our model. So we're also going to do the assumption check, which including linear independency, equivariance, and normality, multicollinearity, and also we're going to check the outliers. And in order to check those assumptions, we're going to use a BP test, SW normality test, VF, and also we're going to plot some drawings to tell us more. And all those drawings can find in the code attached with this video. So to start with this model, we're going to use all the 5 variables we have, which including runtime, movie type, rating, Metascore, and how many votes we have. So as you can see on the screen, to start the model, we only have the adjusted R-squared as 0.1478, which isn't great. And after select the most significant variables, the adjusted R-squared reduced to 0.141. And even with introducing the interaction terms and also introduce the higher level or log terms, our R-squared, adjusted R-squared only at 0.1653. And on the bottom, you can see the 4 multilinear regression model. So the model behavior isn't great, however, it's kind of no surprise since like every movie will catch different audience and people's taste changing all the time. We found the article online, so help us to understand the 3 most significant factors will be production cost, and if the movie win any nominations, or if this movie is part of a series of movies. So with their models, the prediction can increase to 0.647. And then Matt will take you guys to understand the data more.
So moving on to some visualizations, the first thing we wanted to plot was for each genre, the rating versus runtime. And these points are colored by the genres. So this is just a high-level look at, kind of what's rated the highest and what's kind of also rated a high runtime. So we can kind of see on this that action movies are generally have the longest runtime and the highest rating, with other movies kind of scattered all over the place as well. So just kind of getting into more details on looking at actor ratings by movies. So we kind of see that Christian Bale is the highest ranked actor, followed by Leonardo DiCaprio. And just moving down to the lower end of the scale, we see Jason Lee is the lowest ranked actor, followed by Kristen Stewart. And on this plot, you can also see on the bars that some actors are in more than one movie, so you kind of see different ratings for multiple ratings per actor. So that's also labeled on the plots. Kind of a similar plot as well. This is just based on directors of a movie. So Christopher Nolan is the highest ranked director, followed by Anthony Russo. And then just on the other end of the scale, Chris Weitz is the lowest ranked director, followed by Betty Thomas. And we can see the full distribution of directors on this plot. So now just kind of drilling down to genres. The family genre on average is the highest earnings out of all the genres. So movies like Disney movies and everything that families enjoy. And kind of on the other end of the scale is comedy movies. So on average, these are the lowest ranked genres, and that just could be from like low budget and just kind of producers wanting to get funny movies out there that don't mean much. So that could be a reason for low rankings on those. So similar kind of plot, but just average rating by genre. So dramas and biography are tied for the highest rating. Kind of on the list, but there's only one biography movie, so it's not really an average. It's just that that average for that movie, the ranking. And then on the other end, it's adventure is the lowest ranking of all the genres. And that